So now we are bringing another DMR repeater, TR900. So now we can find the difference between these two models. Actually, TR900, it is an enhanced model of TR8500. They have several differences, but they also have something in common. For example, from the experience, the 8500, it is a kind of compact design. So they support the inbuilt duplexer and inbuilt power supply. But for the repeater of TR900, all of these two models, they are separate because it is a kind of modular design. So this model, it is a repeater of 900, and this one is external power supply, and this one is external duplexer. So we can put them together to be the whole repeater if we need this duplexer. And also we can check the difference of the weight. So this repeater 8500, it is around 14 kilogram, but this repeater is quite light. It is just around 5.4 kilogram. And both of them, they support IP54 protection. And they also have something in common, the same. For example, the functions. I just explained the features and the functions that this repeater 8500 that support. And now I will explain the features and functions that TR900 that support. So first, it supports IP connection, the same as this one. They support IP connection for several sites until 32 sites. This feature can enlarge the coverage area. And also it supports simulcast. So this feature can save our users the frequency resources. So this feature can make the user deployment easier because of the frequency requirement. Also, this repeater, it supports the SVT, Smart Virtual Trunking. So that means if we have more than 3 concurrent core, TR900, we can put more than 1 repeaters so that they have more channels to be allocated dynamically. And besides that, this repeater is also support our SDC system, that is Smart Dispatching Commanding System. So this feature makes the user, the management, they can monitor the terminal users to find where they are and to send some emergency message, and also can monitor and to check all the users' status. So this feature will be very useful and vital to the emergency communication solutions. So, and this TR900, it supports the channel 1056, and this repeater is only supports 99. So this will be a small difference. And also, it supports the accessory for programming cable, and also we can provide the power supply for DC power supply and also AC power supply. And it also supports the GPS, it supports GLONASS and also BeiDou. So all in all, the difference between these two repeaters is kind of the appearance and hardware design. For the functions and for the features, mostly they are quite similar. So we just can regard this repeater is a kind of enhanced model of the TR8500.